SERV stock analysis and serve stock predictions. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade, because I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos, and I've definitely seen what's making me money and what's not. If you don't believe me, you can check out my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years, and unironically, I'm still looking to double down on this. Even though, like, you know, beforehand it was all just about buys, and yeah, I definitely agree with that. How this still looks like is that, I mean, we can clearly see that the bearish idea that I had, just nothing happened out of it. You know, there's only really going to be something that I was really willing to sell if there's some sort of like a double break, and this didn't quite happen. So on the other side, we started pumping up, and when a price is just pumping up as such, all I'm looking to do is just double down on this, meaning that only if it does pull down, it shows me some sort of a confirmation here in a double break, then and only then I'm going to look to double down and buy. Other than that, randomly buying, it's not going to happen. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.